Now we need to know which are the keywords that we would want to appear in Google search rankings. There are two ways to go while researching for your keywords. The keyword tool that you need to use is the Google AdWords keyword tool. It's a Google based tool. One is you insert your landing page, your website URL, the one that you see in the blue rectangle. There is a form where you can insert your landing page. The second option is you know what are the phrases that define your businesses. So as I said, if you're a tour operator, you will be providing flight bookings online. You will be providing hotel bookings online, holiday packages online. So write those phrases down. This will be under the form that comes under the red rectangle. There are options. You're targeting a country called India. The language is English and the search engine is Google. So in the first illustration that's towards your left, you see I have typed in makemytrip.com as my landing page. The keyword ideas have come directly from Google. I'm providing flights, I'm providing chip tickets, flight tickets, train tickets, airline tickets, etc. In the second case, I've filled in the kind of keywords I feel is relevant to Google. I get flights, hotels, holidays, train tickets. I've filled in those. What Google has done in both cases, they have given me the search volumes for this particular keywords, as in how many people within that particular geography, within the date range, so this I have selected for the last 12 months, on a monthly basis are searching for this particular keywords. So in both cases, if you see flights on a monthly basis, average in India is being searched for 33,100 times. This is how Google provides you keyword data. Hotels is being searched 27,100 times. Holidays is being searched 6,500 times. Train tickets 22,000 times almost. What this tool also gives you is the device, the date and location analysis. So you need to understand what is the amount of searches being held, being conducted through mobile, and what is the amount of searches being conducted through desktop. Total number of searches conducted for the set of keywords for the month of March 2015 was 19,68,570. Through mobile, it was 8,19,185, 41.6%. By location, I've targeted India. Now I need to know the city-wise location breakdown. New Delhi is searching for it, 13%. 13% of the searches for this particular set of keywords is coming through New Delhi. Then from Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and other cities. I also get to search this particular keywords for this particular term. Maybe I want to see how good were these keywords or how effective or how hot these keywords were for the last year. So I search from March 2015 to Feb 2016 to understand if people are actually high on these searches. This is how keyword research and analysis is done.